Last night, the sunset at the RTR looked like this. So I drove into Quartzsite to get some breakfast and ran into my friend with the Nagic bus. We run into each other all over the place. He's easy to spot. Seems so am I, because he comes up to me frequently too. Anyway, this is the awesome Nagic bus. He keeps painting the outside, changing it around a bit, but I freaking love the back of his bus. He's going to come out of the coffee shop or whatever, or come out of the bus in a little while, and we'll have a chat. Well, I found him, told him about the RTR, and he followed me out here, and then of course disappeared into the crowd in the RTR parking somewhere. Before that, I offered some help to somebody looking to set up a website for a good cause. I thought I'd go looking for Shiloka. I figured, how hard is it to find that bus in a group of 10,000 other vehicles?
Hi everyone, my name's Wade. This is my van. I live in it. This is my website. Go visit it.
I thought I'd shoot some of the people or include some of the people I met on the way.
G'day, I'm Phil. Come on in, check out my bus.
Just go.
So I did the mundane, I had the good job, I had the house, and it just wasn't for me. I wanted to travel, I wanted to be free, and this has given me everything and has made me so happy.
So we just finished visiting the Bogan Bis, and subscribe.
There you go.
Or follow.
Bogan Bis
keep in touch with this guy.
and Gus in a bus.
Point at it.
My name's Amanda, this is Crystal 2.0, and we are ArtVanGrow. Stay sexy, keep wandering, Gus. You're a great guy.
So while I was doing that van interview, the Nagic bus drives right up and parks right there. So, is that magic or what? Found what I was looking for? In a sea of people? By hardly looking. Go.
Hi, my name's Shiloka. This is my art.
Let me show them the whole. Let me show them all the art.
Oh yeah.
Okay, tell me some more.
Yeah, I travel around and sell my art and crystals, rocks, and gems. Pick sage and support myself that way.
And I think you should all know him because he parks this bus right downtown.
Yeah,
no one hassles them.
I park in downtown Venice Beach sometimes, you know, they're pretty well known there. But you can find me at hashtag Shiloka Magic Bus, S-H-I-L-O-K-A, Shiloka Magic Bus on Instagram.
Instagram, yeah.
Yep.
I like making long videos, but I think I'll call this Looking for Shiloka.